Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character. We're going to go over a shadow Among Us character, but it's going to be running. So it's going to be a little bit different. So let's get started. I'm going to go right here. It's going to be easy, by the way, for beginners. So we're going to go right here. We're going to draw a line here at the top. And that's going to be for like the window, right, of shadows of the Among Us crewmate. Curve right here for the edge of that lens. And go over here on this side for that lens. And we're going to tie it together at the bottom here. Right on. So far, so good. Okay. I'm going to go right here, right into it. I'm going to put in a feature of shadow. And it's going to be that, like, grass on his chest or whatever. He's got, like, this, I don't know, furry chest kind of thing. Looks like a heart. I'm going to pull down. Curve along the bottom of the body on this one. It's going to be a little bit different. All right. We'll leave that there for now. And then right now we're going to go up to kind of the top of the head over here. So we're going to go over here. Up. Down. Back over here. Up. Right there for another spike. Down right here. Another spike down here. That's kind of the biggest difference between Shadow and Sonic. Like, Sonic's are all kind of more or less down. Shadow has these two kind of pronged up, which is pretty cool. Gonna go down right here. And there's a difference between the legs. So we're gonna curve out right there. And the reason we're doing that is because, why? Why are we doing that? Because we want them to be in a running pose. That's kind of the main reason. Go over here now. Curve front right there. We're not going to draw his shoes on yet, but we will. Okay? Then we're going to draw a line back here for the backpack that, you know, the crewmates wear. It's kind of like a big part of this, right? The backpack is a big, it's, yeah, like a very big part of their whole look. Down right here. Square right there. Square tab. It's going to be for like the tongue of the shoe. Down right here. He has like a ring around his shoe. Don't forget, by the way, please hit the like button if you do enjoy this. We hit the like, definitely sends it out to more people. And, you know, like if you want to support the channel, it's one of the best ways to do is to hit the like. Back over here, down, curve up right there. We got his shoe right there. Line over here, down, line over here, down. Kind of like a square kind of thing going on. Could kind of also, if you want, you could throw an extra line over here. And he does have a, like, I guess if you really want to, you can draw the sole of the shoe right there. Let's go over here on this side. Square right there for the tongue. Down right here. Line right there. And line across. We're more or less just having the exact same design, you know, more or less. We're almost done, by the way, so stay with me. I'm going to draw over here. Curve line over here for the ring. Curve over here for the front. Curve down, line up. Right there for the shoe itself. Same thing right here. Kind of like a lesser than sign. Now we draw another line right here. It's mostly for us. And we're going to draw the sole of the shoe. Really close to the end. What I want you to do, by the way, is check out the free stuff in the description. It's really great for you. Basically, we have a free How to Draw Cute ebook. And if you want to learn how to draw anything cute, go get that ebook. It's basically, we talk about proportions of cute. So when you want to draw a character that's cute, right? If you want to draw, like, let's say your dog or whatever, whoever you want to just create one from your mind, the head is going to be bigger. But how much bigger, right? And by how many steps bigger is it going to be? Is it going to be like really huge, or is it going to be, you know, mildly huge? It's kind of up to you. And it's really, I give you the formula because we talk about some heads are so big they're chibi, right? Real tiny bodies, and then there's just normal cute. And I give you that in charts, basically. The chart is there for you to like learn from, and it's 100% free. These are free things you can, and they're even made to print if you want to do that to really sell the point. But check it out. It's going to be there for you so that you can use it and draw anything you want cute. And it's free right now. It's not going to always be free. I'm going to start charging for it in a few months. So definitely pick that up if you get the time. Or I would say do it like right now. Let's go over here now. And I want to draw the ears. Triangle right there. Right there. Line like so. It's a triangle within a triangle. Going to go over here on this side. And we have the far side right there. And we're going to put the line right there. Go here. Curve underneath. Circle right there. Right on. Doing pretty good so far. What else can we do with this? We could probably draw another little square on the inside of the tongue right there of the shoe. And let's go into the final stuff, which is the color of his spikes, you know? So right now we're going to go over here. We're going to draw a line down, curve up. Go over here, line down, curve up. Okay, so far so good. We can draw like a little corner right here because Shadow has a little bit of like eyeliner right there, like a red eyeliner. We could totally do that. And we're going to go over here now and we're going to draw down right there. Right on. So one last thing we're going to do here is I want to draw a thicker line on the outside of the character. I think that's going to bring it all together. You don't have to do this, by the way. I just think it's a great idea. I think it brings like unity to the drawing, but you do you, of course. I'm going to talk to you as I'm doing this as the last step. I want to say, if you do want to support the channel as well, definitely share the video with a friend or share it on social media, wherever you know you can. That would really help out. It's been a long road. I've been doing this for what, like almost 10 years, I think now. And I want to thank you very much. The channel is growing steadily, and I'm really happy for you know, everybody being so nice to me. I started this out in a, you know, just kind of doing this during school, and now it's kind of grown into this, like, you know, big kind of thing, I feel. And yeah, I just want to keep doing this as long as I can, and I want to thank you guys for supporting me. You're amazing. And yeah, not to get too mushy there. So thank you so much. I want you to stay here. We're going to go into another drawing video very soon, okay? So let's move on to the next drawing lesson.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.